Hello and welcome back to Eruditio's Tip of the Week. This week we're going to specifically talk about job planning. What does a good corrective maintenance job plan look like? It's a question that a lot of people want to know, and I think my answer years ago would be a bit different than it is today. Originally, I think I pictured this perfect job plan with pictures inside of it and call outs and details. What I know now is that's not the right job plan for every job. So let's dive into a new model. So if you take a look here, across the page, what we're showing is everything from a checklist, like you might find in the checklist manifesto, all the way through a detailed picture like you might find in a comic book. All right? And in between all of those things is a blend of job plans. If every job plan you do is as detailed as that comic book, you'll only be able to get 1 or 2 job plans done per week per planner. But if you can make some simple checklists that have been proven by the Checklist Manifesto to make big improvements in the organization, you could probably do 10 or 12 of those per planner. So what we've got to do is we've got to figure out where do your job plans need to be on that scale. The way we do that is by looking at these words here. How critical is the asset? How complex is the asset? Or how familiar are we with the asset? What level of precision maintenance is required? And how often do we use this job plan? In other words, can we get a lot of value out of it if we use it regularly? So if you take those 5 elements there, you can start to slot your job plans along this scale. And many of them may start out as checklists that progress over time as we use continuous improvement, blending together with those details, using a few pictures here and there when we need them, without making every job plan look like that comic book. But if you've got safety issues, if you've got criticality issues, any of those kind of things will drive you to be on this end of the spectrum. Hope this helps as you think about how to roll out new and better corrective maintenance job plans within your facility. And as always, have a great week.